Alright, hello everyone. Stock Master back here with another video for you all. Today, I have a new video for you guys. That's a new content for the channel. This will be a stock comparison video because I know a lot of people don't have enough money to invest into varieties of stock at the same time. I have had questions from peers about whether they should invest in AJAX or VGAC. Therefore, I decided to create a comparison video of the two. So stay tuned because I have important information to share with you all. Before I start, if you're new to the channel, subscribe right now. We are on the go to reaching 300 subscribers. You can subscribe by clicking the button right now at the bottom right and turn that notification on. Leave a like and share this video too. This channel is growing, so join the community. I try my best to talk about stocks with huge upside potential. Let's get to it. First off, I want to compare the financial of the two, so follow along. If you compare the price of the two stocks, they're currently sitting very near each other. AJAX is currently sitting at $12.85 and VGAC is at $15.56. VGAC price have dropped in the recent day, and I think I know a reason why. I'll talk about that real soon, so keep watching the video. If you look at the bottom left of both charts, AJAX is considered fair value by analysts and VGAC is considered overvalue. If you look at the 52-week range, AJAX is currently trading near its 52-week low, meaning that there's a huge upside and the current price is near the bottom already. Meanwhile, VGAC is currently trading near its all-time high right now. This might be due to the merger announcement. We'll also talk more about that in a bit. AJAX market cap is slightly larger, but both market cap are low enough that I can see huge potential growth for both companies. As an unbiased reviewer, both chart event shows bearish, but I actually think a lot of investors are bullish in the two, and that's just my opinion. From just the financial finding, AJAX would be the smarter investment because it's trading near its all-time low and it has a huge upside. Meanwhile, VGAC is actually trading near its all-time high and the merger hype have been announced already, meaning the hype could be dying down until the official merger date is announced. Or maybe there's more room for growth. Do your DD and choose wisely. The main difference between the two, aside from financial differences, is that Ajax have not announced a merger yet. They haven't found a company to acquire or merge with yet. Meanwhile, VGAC have announced a merger already with 23andMe. The pros for Ajax is that investors are anticipating who this company might merge with. Therefore, investors are investing in hope for a good acquisition and merger. The con is that if Ajax merges with a company that no one really cares about, then the stock price could tank. VGAC, on the other hand, have already announced their merger. Investors that like their merger, which is 23andMe, will definitely invest more and this will cause a rise in price. But I have information on the merger coming up, so keep watching. It's very important. Before we talk about the findings, I would like to mention the leadership. Earlier, I said that people might worry about what company Ajax acquire, but I am not too worried about it because Ajax have a great panel of leaders. I trust them and that's why I am heavily invested with Ajax. If you want the full analysis of Ajax, then check out my Ajax review video after. VGAC have two well-known CEO too. The CEO of VGAC is well-known and the CEO of 23andMe is well known. They're both successful and they actually have a lot of great leaders working with them. Check out my VGAC video for the full analysis too. But before you watch that video, keep listening to this video because I have found new information on VGAC that I did not include in my previous video. So here's the thing. Although I am currently invested in VGAC, I'm going to tell the whole truth because I do unbiased reviews. This means that I will always tell you how it is and the facts that I find. From more research, it turns out that after the merger, VG shareholders, us, will only own 11% of 23andMe. I'm not sure what's going on with the other 89% at the same time. I'm not too worried because if 23andMe does well, then the stock price will be fine overall. What does worry me is that I found out that meanwhile the revenue prediction for 2024 is fascinating, sitting at $400 million prediction. 23andMe stock price is actually currently sitting at 100 times the valuation of 2024 predicted earnings. That means that right now the company valuation is actually higher than 100 times. Basically, this stock is overvalued. This is not to discourage you, but to inform you. So make sure you do your DD and do what is best for your investment plan. I can only talk about my speculations and share information on stocks, but your investment move is all on you. My personal opinion on Ajax and VJC is that between the two, I currently have positions in both. I am more heavily invested in Ajax as of now. I have shares of VJC, but I might be cutting my position from this company unless 23andMe comes out with catalysts that make their company stands out, showing that future growth is 2 to 3 times its current prediction, then I might acquire more shares until then. Of course, they're still a good company. Many can compare the overvaluation to Tesla. Tesla is currently sitting over 1,000 times or so in valuation. That is true. But the thing is that Tesla have a lot of catalysts. They're at the top of the EV game, which is going to grow years from now. At the same time, their company just doesn't focus on EV. They do other stuff too. One example would be solar panel and rechargeable stations. So that's what I mean when I say if 23andMe have catalysts that I can see potential growth within the company, then I'll invest more. A friendly reminder, do your DD and invest at your own risk. If you prefer VGAC over AJAX or just believe in VGAC in general, then definitely invest. Don't let my opinion sway you. Both stocks are equally good with huge upside potential. Just find out which one you like more and why. If you made this far into the video, just know that I appreciate it. Make sure you like and share this video right now. Subscribe right now if you have not already. Let me know in the comment section if I should continue this series of comparing stocks, and let me know of stocks you want me to compare. Lastly, do you guys prefer longer length videos or are my videos length okay already? Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Good luck, traders.